Heart chooses, but brain deny. Introduction. Kim Theong, a cold man who don't believe in love. His previous partner, whom he loved the most, cheated on him with a man richer than him. But he is a CEO now. He shut all the doors of his heart, only focusing on his career. Will he be able to get a true love? Let's see. Jeon Jungkook, a sweet guy who loves to spend time with friends and family, believes in arranged marriage and pray to get a lovely and caring husband in future. Will he be able to get a lovely husband? It's a stormy night, continuous lightning and thunder. There is a boy standing on a footpath waiting for a ride to pick him up. Where are you, Jimin? I'm also standing here, Jimin. I'm stuck due to storm, bro. I think some tree fell on road. It's blocked. JK, oh no, what should I do? There is no one here as well. Hey, bye, Jimin. Hello, call cut. Jungkook sees a car and run to get some help. JK, hello, can you give me lift? All soaked in water, water droplets falling from his hairs and face as well. Author, the man in the car looked up and was lost in the sight of the his ears, his lips. He came back in senses when he heard a louder voice. JK, can you hear me, mister? Unknown person, yes, get in the car. JK, thanks, said, feeling a relief sitting inside the car. By the way, I'm Jungkook. Extend hand for handshake. Unknown person, I'm Theon. Give a handshake. JK felt chill in his body by the man's veiny hand on his soft ones. Thanks for helping me. Tai, a quick but short response. Where are you heading to? Asked as he's driving. I need to know where JK wants to reach. JK Bangtan Street. I was actually waiting for my friend, but he ended up stuck in the storm, so I have to ask you for help. Tai. JK POV. Just, I think you don't talk with strangers. Oh, the rest of the ride was silent, just engine running and Tai driving and JK looking around. Suddenly, car stops. Tai, your destination. A calm tone. JK looked outside. Oh, I don't realize an awkward smile. Thanks again. JK leaves, but Tai was still stuck on his smile. Beautiful. These were the words escaped from his mouth, and he froze. Type POV, no. Look toward the direction he leaves. We should not meet again, Jungkook said with a calm expression, but deep down there was a storm in his body. Author, as Tai walked away from the love life, he stopped showing affection, which includes giving compliments. But he just gave a compliment to this unknown boy, so he's shocked, nervous, and scared. Scared to be the same person again, scared to get used. Now a week have passed to that stormy night. Author JK is selecting a suit to wear matching shoe and light accessory. He seemed very excited. JK POV. Today a family is coming to see me for marriage proposal. I'm very excited. It may should sound old, but I believe in marriage, arranged marriage. I believe my parents will choose the best for me. I have to get ready now. JK get ready wearing a beautiful white suit and black shoe, looking like a beautiful white fairy. After an hour, doorbell ring. JK's dad opened the door and welcomed the guest in. There was three of them, Mr. Kim, Mrs. Kim, and Mr. Kim. So nice to meet you, my old friend. It's so great to see you again, and especially in this way. He winked. Mr. Jeon, it's so good to see you too, brother. Mrs. Jeon and Mrs. Kim hugged. Mr. Kim gave a wonderful hug and slight pat on shoulder to their son. Mr. Kim, how are you, son? How is business going? The son, it's all good, uncle. Calm voice. They all started chatting when Mrs. Jeon went to call JK. In no time, JK came great Mr. and Mrs. Kim, and his eyes dropped on their son, who was already staring at him. Four of them looked toward each other and then their sons. Both Tai and JK blinked. Both of their parents. Do you guys know each other? Tai, not so. JK, a little. JK, actually, he gave me lift a week ago. Mr. and Mrs. Kim. Oh, okay. What you know about him? JK, just his name, Theon. Hearing his name from JK's mouth, it sounded like a melody to Tai. He lost in the moment. His heart was racing, happy for seeing him again, but his mind denied the feelings and making him realize his past again and again.